Pardon the having to look at the OBS screen, but I'm mobile and I only have one monitor right now. So I think BTC is going to dip a bunch more, and I'm expecting a short-term bounce. So I'm not going to close any of my trades. So what I'm doing, I already did this. I moved up my stop loss on Zcash to my entry, so that's risk-free. I was on the 15-minute chart. I moved up my stop loss on BNB, so that's risk-free. RVN, I did the same. I moved my stop loss up to my entry, that's risk-free. It corrected further than I thought on that first leg, and we still have another leg down on the 4 hours if the 4 hour finishes turning south. So I'm just going to leave these trades at risk-free status for now. RSR, I didn't move up because it was so close. It was that on that last candle, I wasn't sure if it was going to break my original entry, so I figured maybe I'll leave it. This one too's got to bounce. So I didn't move my stop loss up here yet to my entry. I think I'm going to do that now because it looks like it's going to bounce. I think everything for the most part is going to bounce here and then go down more. I'll leave XRP as is. So yeah, everything I'm going to move for short-term trades. I'm moving my stop loss up to my entry. So they're risk-free. And for anything that's up a lot, I have other trades. I don't have them on my chart. I have to go look at my account because I lost my charts for a few days. So I'm missing certain stuff I can't show you. But I do have a few trades that are open, like when I got into BNB. Or when I got, like my XRP trade. Hi, Josh. So what I'll do is I'm going to move my stop loss up to my entry on those, on these, the newer trades. And then on the other ones that I have open, I already have a stop loss in place. I'm not going to close them out. I'm not sure how I'm going to play those. And I don't have the charts right now, so it's really hard to figure that out. And that's because I'm pretty sure we're going down across the board a little bit. The 4 hour has to reset somewhat. So the hourly on BTC as well looks like BTC is going to bounce. So I have a BTC scalp that I'm going for, which is very high risk. I don't suggest people do it. It's even dumping right now. It might hit my stop, which would suck, but it is what it is. I totally expected that because I think we're overall going down. I'm just betting on like a very short-term bounce before we go down because the hourly looks like it's going to turn up. But the 4 hour overall, we were almost definitely going down. Could potentially get back down to the 54s maybe. We'll see what happens when she finally holds at that 55 support. And if she does one of these short dips and then reverses back up, a little dip, and then starts going back up again, and you can see that reversing on the Stoke, then I'm just going to ignore the Stoke. Right now, the Stoke model is locked in pretty well. If the Stoke model falls apart and starts zigzagging and she starts pumping, I'm just going to go back to being long on everything. But for now, I think we have to go lower, and this 4 hour has to reset a bit. Overall, I'm still extraordinarily bullish. I explained this all on my live stream last night. Across the board, the daily is almost reset. Now, once that daily turns up, we are going to absolutely launch. So stay tuned for more updates. That's where we are for right now.